Have you ever wondered how your smartphone recognizes your voice, or how your email filters out spam? The answer lies within a field of technology known as artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI, a term coined in the mid-20th century, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. It includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Consider a young child learning to identify animals. They see a dog and someone tells them, "That's a dog." Through repetition of this process, the child learns to associate the image of a dog with the word dog. This is similar to how AI works, a process known as machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the practice of using algorithms to pass data, learn from it, and then make a determination or prediction about something in the world.